I have a shower to take. And then I have to paint. Outside. In the building. So what are you doing for classes today?
English, maths, and placement.
That doesn't sound fun. Is it that weird guy?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's a weird teacher.
Yeah.
I think I look weird. Your hair's like, nope, we're not participating. Did you get your bangs cut?
I cut them myself.
Not bad. Not bad. Look nice. She's so pretty for college classes, I guess.
I didn't really do the rest of it, but that's too much.
I could do the rest, but I don't think I'll be sitting there for another hour. I'll come downstairs then. We're gonna go straighten hair before my shower. Woo. Oh, the kitchen looks like hell. We're not going in there. So yeah, I'm gonna set the video and probably pop it up here and there once I'm finished straightening her hair. Do you have a hairbrush?
No.
Hairbrush. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go get a hairbrush. Probably steal it from my sister. Bye, guys.